Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off touch accommodations to change how the screen will respond to touches on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Touch. Then, in here, tap on Touch Accommodations. At the top here, tap on the Touch Accommodations to use any of the features that you have turned on at the bottom here. So you can see here at the moment I have Touch Duration turned on. However, if I don't turn on Touch Durations, I will not be able to use any of these features down here. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on. And you can see here once I turn on, these features will be activated. If I want, I can tap on it to switch it off. Now say touch accommodation is disabled or enable. You can also triple click on the side here to turn on touch accommodations, or you can toggle the state of touch accommodations to off or on. And in here we can tap on that to switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.